Hi, my name is Ali. I'm a chemistry teacher. I'm going to describe the differences between the evaporation and boiling. And there is a need to describe the differences between evaporation and boiling because in case of both of them, the conversion of liquid into vapor will take place. For example, in evaporation, there is a conversion of liquid into vapor, as well as in case of boiling, there is a change of the liquid into vapors. And we describe evaporation that it is a slow process. There is a conversion of liquid into vapor, but it is slow process, gradual process. And this takes place at the surface of the liquid. Some of the particles at the surface of the liquids gain energy from some external source and they go away from the liquid surface. The particles of the liquids are nearby each other and they are attracting each other. So the particles of the liquid need some energy to go out of the liquid surface. So some of the particles gain energy and they go away from the liquid surface and say goodbye to their neighbor particles. And this will take place at room temperature. The evaporation takes place at room temperature. In case of boiling point, the particles of the liquids are nearby and they are attracting each other, and we have to give some energy to the liquid particles. When liquid particles will gain energy, their movement will be faster and they can overcome the interatomic forces of attraction, and in this way they will gain an energy to come over the interatomic forces of attraction. So all the particles of the liquid will go from the liquid to the vapors. And so this is a very fast process, and this takes place at a fixed temperature. For example, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. So at 100 degrees Celsius, all the water molecules present in the container will start converting into vapors, and all the particles will stand up to go from liquid state into vapor state. But same case of water, even at a room temperature, the sum of the particles of the liquid, some of the water molecules will convert into vapors even at room temperature. And of course that will be a slow process, and that is evaporation. So when water converts into vapor even at a room temperature, that will be evaporation. It is a slow process. It takes place at the surface of the water molecules, and it may take place at room temperature. And when the liquid water is converting into vapors and it is boiled, it means all the particles will convert into steam, and it will take place at a fixed temperature, 100 degrees Celsius, and it is a fast process.